Welcome to IC Markets. In this video, we will walk you through on how to log into your live account on Android MT4. If you already downloaded the MT4 app, then you can log into Trade Live. Open MetaTrader 4 on your phone. Tap on the Hamburger icon on the top left-hand corner of the screen to open the menu. Once the menu opens, tap on Manage Accounts. Now tap on the plus sign in the top right-hand side of the screen. Now tap on Login to an existing account. You recently received an email from IC Markets containing your login information. Log in with the account number and the password you set during registration. Tap on the checkbox to save the password, but only if your device is private. Never save a password on a shared device. You'll be taken to the Quotes tab, where you can view live quotations. If the Quotes tab doesn't appear, try entering your login and password again. Once you've logged into your live account, you can deposit money. It's convenient with so many funding options, including credit or debit card, wire transfer, and many more options. For further information, please visit our website or contact our support team. Thank you for choosing IC Markets.